Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn to create this. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects. Then create a new composition. Name it Loading Animation. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels, frame rate to 30 frames per second, and duration to 10 seconds. Now, let's import the vector file for this tutorial. Click on the Load a Vector File, and then select Import. Make sure to set the import kind to Composition, then click OK. This will create a separate composition for our vector file. Now, drag and drop the loader composition into the main composition. Press S to open the scale properties. Increase the scale to your desired value. If you notice the top design layer missing, select the shadow layer and change the layer mode from normal to multiply. Now, you can see we have a separate layer for each design. Choose the color layer. Go to Effects and Presets, then search and apply the fill effect to it. Right-click on empty space. Go to New, and choose Null Object. Name it Color Controller or any name you prefer. Right-click on the Color Controller layer, go to Effect, then Expression Controls, and select Color Control. Lock the color control settings. Select the color layer, press C to open Effects, go under the Fill effect. Hold down the Alt key, and click the stopwatch icon to add an expression. Now, drag the pick whip to the color control. Let's change the color. Cool. It's time to animate this color section. Click on empty space. Go to the toolbar, choose the ellipse tool. Set the fill color to none. And the stroke to black or any color you prefer. Adjust the stroke size to 45 pixels. Hold the Shift key, and draw a shape just above the color ring. Center the anchor point. Then align the shape to the center. Click the Add button and choose Trim Paths. Under Trim Paths, set the end value to 0. Click the stopwatch next to start to add a keyframe. Move the time cursor to 8 seconds, then change the start value back to 100%. Drag the shape layer just above the color layer. Select the color layer. Go to the track matte and choose Alpha Matte. Let's see the preview. Cool. It looks good to me. As you can see, our circle completes in 8 seconds. To speed it up, you can move the second keyframe to 5 seconds. It's time to add the numbers our animation. Select the Type tool from the toolbar, draw a text box. And write the text 100%. I am going to choose the font called DS Digital. Center the anchor point. Then align the text to the center. For now, change the text to 0. Right-click on the text layer. Go to Effect, then Expression Controls. And choose Slider Control. Lock the effect controls. Go under the text. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard. Click on the source text stopwatch icon to add an expression. Drag the pick whip to the slider control. As you can see, nothing is happening. Because we didn't create keyframes. Move your time cursor to the first frame. Then, add a keyframe on the slider. Move your time cursor to 8 seconds. Change the slider value back to 100. Let's see the preview again. Cool. Looks good to me. However, you can see the decimal is included in the text. So, let's fix this. Go to the expression. Just type math.round. Copy the second bracket and paste it after the expression. Then type plus, and %sign under the quotation marks. Let's see the preview again. Cool. Our loading animation is ready. Let me add the fill effect on the text layer, then I am going to connect it with the color controller. Cool. Now, we can control the ring and text color with the color controller. Let's see the preview. Next, let me add the bounce effect on the loader. Go to the main composition. Move your time cursor to 10 frames. Add a keyframe on scale. Move your time cursor to the first frame. Change the scale value back to 0. Then I am applying the bounce effect on it. If you want to see the complete tutorial on bounce effect, then check out my this tutorial. Let's check out the final output. Cool. Our loading animation is completed. I will share the project file for this loading animation. You can download everything from my website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, explore my other videos for more exciting content. Show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. Your suggestions are highly appreciated. If you gained new knowledge, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Good luck.